Setting up your CosmoGlo car visor mirror. Inside the box, you'll find an info card with a QR code for easy access to setup tips and support, a charger, and of course, your car visor mirror. The straps on the back are fully adjustable, ensuring a wide range of car visor sizes can be accommodated. Just secure it in place and you're good to go. Before use, please remove the protective plastic film from the mirror. Now for the lighting. The left button controls the warm tone LEDs. The right button controls the cool tone LEDs. Hold to adjust brightness. Tap either button to turn the lights on or off. And also hold both at once to fine-tune your lighting. Charging ports are located on both sides of the mirror, so you can easily plug in no matter where your car's outlet is. If you have any questions, our team is always here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your new CosmoGlo car visor mirror.